Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Steam Deck controller not working. If your Steam Deck controller not working, then here you will see the solution. When people says that to fix this, I plug in a Xbox One controller, then the Xbox controller work in game. I unplugging it and voila the Steam Deck controller suddenly work. Hope this help if you have the same issue. Here in the down people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. When people says that. I had the same problem with the game. Setting up compatibility with Proton 7.0 does not work for me. On most of the game I had trouble with the stability. Use Proton experimental for the first time. It worked to correct the gamepad issues. It works now. Also you cannot see the game when it run but can hear it. Make sure you write in. We dove into the property of the game to get that resolved. So we'll need to consider this thing. And here you will see another people says that try using like controller keyboard plus mouse work for me. Steam button controller settings. So this is the second thing you need to consider. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.